Dear friends, welcome back to Civil Conclave presentations. Today we are going to discuss about rate analysis for door frames, various door structure, gypsum, AAC block works, etc. Remember one thing: these rates, these analyses have been made by me some few years back. You have to check back your market prices of that material at your project at your location. Accordingly, you can correct it. Other coefficient has been defined as per IS codes. Okay, let us go to the presentation. First item, teakwood frame 100 by 65 mm, which required a 5.35 running meter. Size of the frame will be 100 by 65 mm. Okay, door size 1.05 by 2.1 millimeter, that is 2.1 meter. Hole fast 6 numbers. Okay, 75 by 75. Add for concreting for holding the hole fast will be 0.0165 cubic meter. Now let us go about material. Teakwood, you require a 0.0399 cubic meter at the rate of 52,976. It will cost you 2,118. GI hole fasteners numbers will be 3.74. At the rate of 60 will be 225. Add for concreting, that is at the rate of 3000 rupees will be 49 rupees 50 paisa. Bituminous paint litters we required is 0.0035. At the rate of 75 will be 2.64. Melamine polish square meter 1.35. At the rate of 435 will be 588. Sundries like screws etc will be 150 rupees. So the total cost of the material will be 3135.37. Labor 5.35 running meter at the rate of 200 will be 1070. So the total amount of the labor and material will be 4205.37. Contractors overhead 0.15 percentage will be 630 rupees, which makes you 4836. Contractor profit 10 percentage will makes you 483 rupees. So that total comes to 5319. So rate per running meter, labor will be 253, material will be 741. The total cost will be 997 per running meter. Taxes are extra. Now 40 mm thick wooden flush doors. Size will be 1050 by 2400 mm. This I am giving you without a main frames. Okay. We required a 2.393 square meter. Thickness of the shutter will be 40 mm. Size of the door 1.5 by 2.4 mm, 4 meter. Size of the frame will be 150 mm by 65 mm. Size of the shutter will be 1025 by 2.335. Material flush shutter 2.51 square meter at the rate of 900 will be 2261. Hinges 102 by 76 by 3 mm SS hinges, that is 3 into 168 504. Night latch 1 number 817 rupees. 200 mm long SS tower bolt with 10 mm dia bolt 1 number 229. Rubber door stopper 65 rupees. Safety chain 80 rupees. P poles 49 rupees. 200 mm 22 mm dia pull handles 2 numbers 1060 rupees, that is a set. Okay, 10 mm thick lamination on both sides 3400 rupees. Teakwood beading 13.44 running meter at the rate of 12 rupees will be 170.879. Synthetic enamel paint 0.537 square meter at the rate of 225 will be 120 rupees. Sundries such as screws etc 150. So the material cost will be 8877. Now we come to the labor component. Okay, the labor component will be for 2.39 square meter at the rate of 350 will be 837 rupees. So total of material plus labor will be 9750. Contractors overhead 15 percentage 1457, which makes the total of 11,172. Contractor profit 10 percentage will make you 1117, with the total will be 12,289. So rate per square meter, labor will be 442.75, material 4692, the total becomes 5134.926. Now 1500 by 2400 mm door shutter sizes. Size of the door 1.5 by 2.4 meter. Size of the frame 150 mm by 65 mm. Size of the shutter 1.475 by 2.335. Flush shutter 3.61 square meter at the rate of 900 rupees 3254. SS hinges 6 numbers at the rate of 168 1008 rupees. Night latch 817 rupees. Tower bolts 2 numbers at the rate of 229 will be 458. Rubber door stopper 2 numbers at the rate of 65 will be 130. Safety chain 1 number at the rate of 80 will be 80. Peepholes, that is the door eye, will be at the rate of 49 rupees. D-type handles 2 numbers, that is a set, is 1030, 2060 rupees. 1 mm thick lamination on both the sides 2 numbers at the rate of 3400 will be 6800. Teakwood beading 15.24 at the rate of 12.71 will be 193.76. Synthetic enamel paint 0.60 square meter at the rate of 225 will be 137.76. Sundries such as screws and everything 150 rupees. So that the material cost will be 15,137.62 for 3.61 square meter. Now come to the labor. 3.44 square meter at the rate of 350 will be 1205. So material plus labor will be 16,343. Contractor overhead 15%, 241, 2,451. Total makes 18,794. Contractor profit 10%, 1879. The total cost 2637. So rate per square meter will be 6,006 rupees per square meter. If I split it up into labor plus material, labor will be 442.75, material will be 5,559, total will be 6,002.60. Door size is 900 by 240 mm. Shutter 2.14 square meter at the rate of 900 will be 1930. Hinges 3 numbers 168 504 rupees. Mortise lock. See, you notice this mortise lock. This is a 450 rupees, 450 rupees. Handles at the rate of 1030 will be 1030. Tower bolt 1 number because you will be going to latch it from the only inside 229 rupees. Door closer 1200 rupees. Rubber stopper 1 number 65 rupees. Lamination on both the sides will be 3400. Teakwood beading 12.84 will be 163. Synthetic enamel paint 0.513 square meter at the rate of 225 will be 115.56. Sundries, screws, etc. 150. Labor 2.04 at the rate of 350 will be 750. So the labor plus material cost will be 9,952. Overhead 15%, 1492. Contractor profit 10%, 1144. So rate per square meter will be 6,163. If you split it up into labor plus material, labor will be 442.75 and material will be 5,719 for the 2.4 square meter. 900 by 2,400 mm. The same methodology, same calculations goes on continuing it. Okay. The rate per square meter will work out. Labor will be 442, material 4252, total cost will be 4695.626. Okay. In all these rates, the taxes are not included. Taxes is not at all included. You have to calculate the taxes accordingly. Door size 1200 by 2400 mm. Size of the frame 0.100 by 165. Size of the shutter 1.17 by 2.335. Flush shutter 2.86 square meter at the rate of 850 will be 2438. Hinges 6 numbers at the rate of 168 will be 1008. Handles 2 numbers 1030 will be 2060. Tower bolt 2 numbers at the rate of 229 is 458. All drop 2 numbers 229 458. Door closer 2 numbers 1200 will be 2400. Lamination 3400. Teakwood beading will cost you 155 rupees. Enamel paint will cost you 110 rupees. Sundry screws everything 125. The total cost is 12,613. This is for 2.86 square meter. Labor will be cost you 956. So labor plus material will be 13,569. Contractor overhead 2035. Contractor profit 1560. So the rate per square meter will be 6283.362. If I split it up, labor plus material, labor will be 442.75, material will be 5840. The total will be 6283.3. Fire rated MS door. This is for a staircase. Okay. 2.2 square meter. Okay. At the rate of 3867 will be 8527. Excise duty 0.16 will be 1364. Educational cess 0.02 will be 27.28. Installation charges at the rate of 550 will be 12.75. Hinges 3 at the rate of 168 504. Panic bar, that is a push type, at the rate of 5500 will be 5500. Dead rod lock with one side key, one side knob, 5-pin cylinder, at the rate of 850 will be 850. SS door closer 1200 rupees. Pull handles 1030 rupees. Vision panel will be 900 rupees. Sundries 250. Total will be 21,366. Contractor overhead 15% will cost you 3,204. Contractor profit 10% will cost you 2,457. So rate per square meter will comes down to 12,257.78 for 2.205 square meter. Now come to fire door doors of a shaft door. Sizes will be 2.1. Okay, the area will be 2.15 square meter. At the rate of 3,867, 8121. Excess duty 0.16, 1299. Educational size 0.02, 25.98. Installation charges will be 1,155. Hinges 6 numbers will cost you 1,008. Allen key, that is a handle lock, 210, it will be 420 rupees. Sundries will be 250. Okay. Contractor overhead 15% will be 1842. Profit 10% will be 1412. So rate per square meter will be 7397. Say let us say 7,400 rupees. Now masonry work. AAC block work. 200 mm thick brickwork, block work. Block size nominal 200 by 240 by 625. Block size actual will be 150 by 230 by 650. Mortar will be 0.135375. Cement proportion is equal to 1:5. Material AAC block 70 numbers at the rate of 116 will be 8120. Cement 0.846 at the rate of 275 will be 232. Sand 0.141 at the rate of 2650 will be 373. Non-shrinkage compound 0.846 at the rate of 30 will be 25.38. So the material cost will be 8751.75. Labor 10 square meter at the rate of 150 will be 1500 rupees. The total material plus labor is 10,251. Contractor overhead 15% will make you 1537. Profit 10% will make you 1178. Okay. Rate per square meter. Labor 198, 8975. material 1107, total will be 12,097, 1,297 for 10 square meter. Block masonry 150 mm thick, the same analysis is okay. Now come to 100 mm thick with a partly beam. Okay, block sizes will be 100 by 240 by 625, motor 90 by 230 by 650, cement mortar proportion is equal to 1:4. Concrete in partly beams will be 0.111 cubic meter. Okay, that is 100 by 100 width. 100 mm thick concreting block, 70 numbers at the rate of 58 will be 4060. Sand 1.45 at the rate of 275 will be 398. Non-shrinkage compound 0.116 at the rate of 2650 308. Aggregate for filling the partly beams 1.45 at the rate of 30 will be 43.50. Steel reinforcement for a partly beams 10 kgs at the rate of 45 will be 492. Mild steel, then shuttering will be 2.222 square meter at the rate of 225 will be 500. So the material cost will be 5894.859, okay, for 10 square meter. Labor 10 square meter at the rate of 90 will be 900 rupees, that will be 1350. So material plus labor cost will be 7209. Overhead 15% will be 10881. Contractor profit 10% will be 829, which makes 9120,472 for 10 square meter. So per square meter will be 912.04, let us say 930. So rate per square meter, labor will be 166, material will be 745, total will be 912. Now gypsum plaster to wall, 10 square meter, 12 mm thick, wastage will be 81.75 square meter per metric ton, that is a 0.1. Chicken mesh 123 kgs at the rate of 7.8 will be 962. Scaffolding 10 square meter at the rate of 50. Then it comes 1042. Labor will be 1000 rupees. Contractors overhead will be 306, 15%. Profit 10% will be 234. Okay, so the rate per square meter, labor will be 126.5, material 131, total will be 258 for 10 square meter. That means per square meter will be 25.8. Thank you for watching this presentation. Kindly subscribe, like and share, which will motivate me for a further good presentation. In case of any queries, do not hesitate to write to me. The response shall be at the earliest. You can contact me at civilconclave@gmail.com or at my Telegram group, Civil Conclave Telegram group. The link has been shown as below. Thank you once again for watching this presentation. Kindly like, share and subscribe.